Here I have OPPO Reno 5 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your volume panel, volume slider on this device. So as you can see, now I have like the standard volume slider here, but you can also customize it. All you need to do is to just download the app Volume Styles, customize your volume panel slider from the Play Store, and you have to open this app, grant tap start. Then you have to allow accessibility services on this to this app. And now you can change your volume slider bar style. For example, you can select one of the like on iOS, one UI 3, one UI 2, RGB, wavy one on the like on Xiaomi, one like on the Color OS, Paranoid Android. You have many different styles. Let's select, for example, maybe this emoji one. I like it very much. And as you can see, now I have different styles here. The one with emoji, super cool. You can change for for another styles. Select the one you like the most. You can even customize your styles, select from the community ones or create your own. But many features, as you can see, are payable. You will have to pay firstly to use these features, unfortunately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for our channel.